Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Y'all, Passover is so close, we can feel it. No matter if it's your first or 20th time, here are some great tips to prepare. Yah commands us to have no leavened item in our homes during Passover. In Exodus 13:7, you will find that verse. What is leaven? A substance, typically yeast, that is used in dough to make it rise. Leavening agents. There are some items that contain leavening. There are many more, but please do your research. Start prepping by putting all the items that contain leaven in one area so you can use them before Passover. See you all at the feast!
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.